Well, the countdown is on for the 2021 annual Canadian Physicians for Life Conference, Humanizing Healthcare. My name is Kevin Dunn, and I am going to be your MC for this event coming up on October 22nd to the 24th at the Doubletree Hilton in Toronto. And with me to talk about this wonderful event is Nicole Scheidel, the Executive Director of Canadian Physicians for Life. How are you, Nicole? Tell us about this event. It'll be so nice to be in person.
Yeah, I'm doing great. I can't wait to see everyone again. It's been almost 2 years since we've been able to be together. And even though we've been in touch by Zoom and we had an online conference last year, I think it's going to be just so special to be back in the same room with people again.
It really is. In last year's conference, although we weren't able to meet in person, it was great. It was such an inspirational conference. So many great speakers, and I understand you have some great speakers lined up for this year. Can you tell us a little bit about them?
Sure. Yeah, I'm really excited about the speaker lineup. We have just some top-notch speakers in their fields. Dr. John Mayer is going to be talking about MAID and mental health, which is going to be a huge topic coming up in the next year. We also have some great research that we did with the DeVeber Institute over the summer, and Dr. Deb Zenny is going to be presenting that on abortion and informed consent. So I think there's going to be something for everyone, and people are going to be not only enjoying the time together as a community, but also getting some real intellectually challenging material to just go over and kind of not struggle, I would say, but grapple with, like really, dig their teeth into it.
Well, it sounds. I'm so looking forward to it, and I know you're doing something extra special this year for those who want to join us online. I understand that we're going to have a digital conference, a few weeks later, featuring the same people. Can you tell us more about that?
Sure. So yeah, so for sure, not everyone can travel this year for a variety of reasons, but we still wanted to make the conference available. So 2 weeks later, we're going to redo the conference again with the same speaker lineup, a little bit different in terms of the timing, just so we don't keep people in front of Zoom all day. But I think it's going to be really exciting. We're still going to have lots of opportunity for interaction, both by over Zoom and also on the Whova app. So I think people will enjoy that. Whichever way they can join us, it will be a great experience.
Well, I know we're going to put the links below for people to find out more information, but perhaps you want to tell them what we have you here in person?
Sure. So the conference is at the Doubletree Hilton in Toronto. So you'll be able to register for that and join us there, or alternatively online from the comfort of your room. I think one other thing that I'd like to also speak of is Saturday night's going to be really special. We're going to have a really great time together, doing some fun things. We have a new award to give out, which I'm really excited about as well, the Dr. Paul Adams Award. And we also have some musical entertainment for Saturday night. So people will really be able to have a time as a community to really connect and recharge and reinvigorate themselves.
So I understand you have some special gifts this year for the participants. Can you tell us about it?
Sure. I'm not going to reveal everything that everyone's going to get, but a couple of things. We have these really cool coffee mugs that are thermos. They keep your coffee really hot. I put a cup of coffee in there and it lasted about 4 hours. So I was really excited about that. And then we also have this great book, Crucial Conversations. And that is something we are going to be talking about the first night, Friday night, about how to have those really challenging conversations with both patients and colleagues. So we have some great speakers to speak to that, really expert physicians, and also a patient to give her perspective on that interaction with a physician and how important that is.
Well, I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to see you in Toronto. Look forward to seeing you there because we've only seen each other virtually over the last year. So it'd be great to see you in person. It'll be great to see anybody who's watching who's coming in person. But of course, the digital conference a couple of weeks after that. All of the information is in the links below. Hope you can join us at the Doubletree Hilton on October the 22nd to the 24th for the Canadian Physicians for Life Annual Conference, National Conference. Great lineup of speakers. Hope to see you there. Thanks, Nicole.
Take care, Kevin.